Hi everyone, I'm Max Sopranovic, I'm 23 and I was born in Almaty, Kazakhstan. I ride BMX, I like more of a park and dirt, doing this already 6 years, love it and not going to quit. It's pretty hard to progress in Kazakhstan because there are not so many riders and no park at all future that we have made by ourselves. Nevertheless, we don't despair and still trying to develop BMX in Kazakhstan. Sure, it would be cool to have more support, to have our strongest guys going aboard for gaining more experience. At this time my main goal is to ride in a big contest and show that Kazakhstan also has strong riders. I'll do my best for my dreams to become true. Watch me riding, keep your thumbs up and stay tuned for my new videos. Peace!